3.2007 Ford 500 SEL Sedan, 203 HP, 3.0-liter 5.6, 6-speed automatic WD. Where can you find a car the size that gets this kind of fuel mileage? 21 mpg city, 29 mpg highway. While there are small cars don't get that kind of mileage, this vehicle has low mileage, and is priced to move super fast. So get in here today, and see just how much car you really can afford at carstrucksandtoys.comAt. carstrucksandtoys.com. All vehicles have a clean title, go through a thorough vehicle inspection, and qualify for extended warranties. We offer in-house financing with flexible terms, so call or come on down today. Credit problems we can help. Cash customers make us an offer. See you soon. Vehicle history report available on every vehicle.